Hello guys, welcome to Miniature Farm. And I'm with my Nick. And I'm Joanna. She have a YouTube. Jinky Kahili. We're gonna do it funny. We're gonna do it funny. Hi. YouTube channel, and this is my brand brother. Oh yeah, that's YouTube. And then guys, we're gonna see other Paris. This is say hi. Hello you all. Now, we're gonna do funny, huh? Guys, did you know my brother, he gets his burger and then lick it? Yeah, this is the broth. And then we're gonna... Are you eating like this? I would like one. Meet my friend gonna get and meet to end. And we're gonna get the sardine. Yes. So put you here. Yummy. That's it. Sardine challenge. Sardines. Kumakain silang sardinas. Better we have the collection of gummies and then food. Yeah. Gummies is food. Yeah. Gummy bears is really good. But we have no gummy. Yeah. Okay. It's yummy. Guys, you know, the brother was the little for the squishy donut, she licked it. Yes, true. He licked it. He is not a girl. He is not a girl, he's a boy. Yeah, I know. Sasha said from her. Look. Why very long? Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye. That's a good thing. Eating competition who eats the fastest. Hey, I'm the biggest rice and you're only a little bit of rice. Let's race. galawin. With spoon only. Dapat make faster to eat like this. Very yummy. A long story. It's somehow. You know, if you have TikTok, you have to check her video. It's amazing. No, to musically. I can talk. I can dance. I can sing. I'm winning. And I'll be the second one. Yeah, because look at this. We both win. We're both first. We're both. I have to eat kasi eh. But I'm not last. I'm a first. I don't want it. First is yummy. Hey guys. It's past lunchtime. Only there. Pretend we're done lunchtime. Okay? We finished lunchtime. We finished lunchtime. Yeah, we finished lunchtime. Now it's time to go to the shadow. Really dark, huh? Cannot see me. Look at the dog. Ooh, it's creepy here. It's so dark. Okay. You see our dogs. Come on.
Oy, Mika, ginainan mo, ilagay mo sa lababo.
There are you. See. That's our dogs. That's Ate Par's dogs. This and she's Daddy. Let's go. Now let's go to the bedroom.
Pinagkainan mo, kagong sa lababo.
I have the mirror. Wiggly. I have a piano. Piano. That's
No, not loud.
Now, we need to go out. Wait, you don't have to send the... Alright, bye guys. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. No, thank you for watching. Please subscribe down below. Down below. Bye. See you later. I love you.